What are you eating?
A brownie?
We're going to go work out.
Yeah. I eat this, so that's why I work out.
Oh, okay.
Check out PJ's ride for the weekend. Is that your next car?
Yeah, this is my next one. Watch. I would probably get a raise. I mean, they're cool, but I don't think I'd get them home.
My car's still the coolest though. Lego.
Oh, we got this.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have someone that doesn't even need an introduction.
Do I not need an introduction?
No, he doesn't.
Okay, thank
But
you.
if you do need an introduction, this is Mr. PJ Braun, president of Blackstone Labs. Also very, very near and dear friend to me.
Long time.
Very long time, like 12 years.
Not our usual hot chick.
Not our usual
but
hot
still
chick.
hot in his own way.
This is like the only guy I'll ever hang out with.
Thank
so.
you.
We are at Fit Club Las Vegas today. PJ is putting me through a little bit of a glute/leg day. We have a big shoot tomorrow for Blackstone. We're shooting with Frida tomorrow, so I need my butt to be as pumped and full and
It will be.
juicy
It will be.
as possible. So let's see what PJ knows how to do.
All right, here we go. Apply a little pressure. Can't go out. Same thing again. Good. With the dumbbell PA squat, do you want to do the bar for the Romanian deadlift, or do you want to do dumbbells? But we're gonna do the Romanian deadlift first. So the way I like my RDLs done for holding dumbbells.
Ready for USA's. That's it, ready.
I don't think PJ would let me prep him. I don't think you would let me prep
You
him.
were a PJ letting you? You think I'd let you?
Why don't you hop in here?
No, I will work out. Stupid.
Slide back to where you feel more comfortable. Put yourself where you feel the most comfortable.
This is good, I think.
Good. Squeeze hard at the top. it is very hot. I'm even hot just from raining.
It's a classic color.
It is. Like this red Porsche, especially for a girl that's as beautiful as you, it's like perfect. It's the perfect color because it's not a girl color.
Minus all the.
It's not if it was like white or like powder blue, you know what I mean, or fucking pink. My car's big. The F12's big on the inside.
It's a big car.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not.
It's good for like driving around like all the time. Like the Huracan's little.
This isn't bad, honestly.
Love the Huracan, but it's little.
This isn't bad.
No, these are good.
You know what it is for me with a Huracan, and you're gonna be like, I know what you mean. Every like influencer who gets a little bit of money,
Gets a
that's the first thing they do.
Yep.
Like, and I'm over that. They don't buy a Ferrari.
No.
They'll buy a Huracan.
The new 488s are so sick. If you wanted to get, that's the Huracan of Ferrari.
Right,
You know what I mean?
right. Even the 458s are cool.
And the guy that has the 488 at the place was telling me that the people like the 458 more.
Well, it's not turbo.
It's got a sick sound too.
Yeah.
It's got like that scream, the old Ferrari.
Where the 488s don't anymore.
My first Ferrari was a 458, and I always say that car is like a 9.5, and then the F12's a 10.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Amazing.
We're never gonna film an outro.
Do you know that? If you look around, it's hard. You can look around in Europe and find them with a stick still.
Oh, I didn't even really need them with this thing.
Mm-hmm. European.
That's cool.
Yep.
All right.
PJ, you do my outro.
Oh, I'm doing the outro?
He's doing the outro. You're taking over the channel.
Are we live?
We're about to lose followers. Yes, we're live.
Okay, I know that you guys are very disappointed that I'm actually speaking at all right now, but this is a very special day for me because, like I said, I've coached her for a long time. We've been friends for a very, very long time, but we never did a workout today in the gym.
And I'm very thankful. I'm very thankful we haven't, because that was awful.
And now she doesn't want to do it ever again.
Never again. One and done.
But I'm proud of you. You did awesome.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
PJ's the best. You guys know I've been with Blackstone since
Forever. Loyal AF.
Loyal AF. Cheers to that.
Thank you.
Let's go get a spray tan. See you guys tomorrow.